Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 567 of trying a new makeup product every day. 567 days of trying a new makeup product every day, of uploading a new YouTube video every day is crazy. That's such a high number. That's so many videos, that's so many products, and people ask me all the time, how long are you planning to do your video series for? And my answer is always just as long as I feel like it. And so if you've been following my YouTube channel, you might know that I recently bought a house by myself and I moved into it this week. I moved into it on my birthday, my 26th birthday. And I love my new place, but I'm so lonely sometimes. And I knew that I was going to be lonely, and I don't know if I should pause the video because I'm sad, or if I should keep filming. But I think I'm gonna keep filming because what I want to talk about is how much this video series means to me. It's also really hot in here. I didn't have my AC on, but so I set up my filming studio, like I said, in my spare bedroom, and I'm like, it's not my ideal filming setup because it's all hardwood in here. I don't have carpeting. I feel like the sound isn't, it's like a little bit echoey, but so one of my main priorities was to move in my filming setup so that I could get back to making my videos. And I'm so glad that I did, because filming these videos gives me that sense of normalcy, and like I'm not feeling like I'm so alone because I'm talking to you guys. And even when I edit the videos, like just watching myself talk, it makes me feel better because I know how happy I am when I'm filming these videos and when I'm trying out new products. So when I was just asked yesterday, like, how much longer are you gonna be making these videos? I'm like, oh, as long as I feel like it. But making these videos is such a part of my life and my happiness, and I do not want to give that up because it really does bring me so much joy. The filming them, the editing them, the posting them, the interacting with you all in the comments, it's so important to me. I had no idea when I started this trying a new makeup everyday series what it would turn into. I thought it was going to be a 1-month series. I started it in February. I'm like, oh, this is the shortest month. I'll just try out 28 products and that'll be it. But I fell in love with doing the series, fell in love with making YouTube videos. So here I am, day 567. And did I even mention what product I'm trying out today? The product that I'm trying out today is a product that I have not tried out yet as part of this series. It's a body mist, but this is from LA Colors. It's from the dollar store, and I found it in the makeup section, and this is one of my favorite products to try out, which is a dollar store product, because throughout this series I found so many great products that are only $1 that I never would have tried out if it wasn't for this series. So this video today is just making me think of all of the reasons that I really love doing this series and that I'm going to continue doing this series. And I highly recommend that other people do this. Everything that I've gained from doing this series has been priceless. The joy, the makeup skills, everything. I highly recommend people doing this because, you know, it builds a habit. And what else can I say besides I am so thankful that this is part of my routine, part of my life. And with that being said, I'm going to finally try out this product. If you just clicked on this video to see a review on this product, I'm sorry for this whole intro. So what I have here is the Fruity Body Mist from LA Colors in the scent Strawberry Spritz. So this is a body mist with subtle shimmer. And so today it's hot. It hit like 90 degrees today. So I'm wearing, this is like a workout dress from one of my favorite stores, Ocean State Job Lot. But so I wanted to try out this product more so on my body because, you know, body makeup is a thing. KKW, the Kim Kardashian brand, just came out with a body foundation and body shimmers, and they're not the first brand to do that, but I feel like body makeup is really having a moment, and look at LA Colors being on trend. So this says, refresh your senses with a quick mist, subtle shimmer for a hint of glow. Says spray on body anytime you need a refresh. One product that I have not really tried out from the Dollar Tree before is perfume. I try out just about everything from the Dollar Tree. I spent over $100 there this week just buying stuff for my new house. But I would love to know in the comments down below if you've tried any Dollar Tree perfumes and what your favorites are. This is kind of like a perfume, so I'm excited to see my thoughts on this. So let's get into it. I feel like this is the same size bottle, which is very small, as the setting spray from LA Colors. 0.2 fluid ounces. So it might even be the same component, the same spray bottle as the setting spray. But, you know, I'm just gonna start out by spritzing some onto my wrist. Oh, there is sparkle to this. There's some silver. Let's see if the camera picks it up. There's silver sparkles to this. Oh, I don't think that's gonna really show on camera. Strawberry Spritz. It's not that strong of a scent, which is not necessarily a bad thing. But wow, I thought that would be more potent. But that is a subtle scent. I actually feel like that's fading pretty quickly. I'm gonna give it a good shake. It doesn't sound liquidy. It's actually kind of like a gel texture when I look at it underneath. But I do like the glitter. It's like body glitter. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and spray this onto my body here. I'm gonna hit those shoulders. You can see it's kind of got some pink to it. So now I'm just gonna rub that in a bit. That scent really is so subtle. It kind of just reminds me of like a scented lip balm. Like that's the level of scent that I have on my body right now, which I kind of wanted this to be almost like a replacement for a perfume, to have that level of scent, but it's very mild, which some people would love that. But I feel like if I'm wearing this, I probably would wear a perfume on top of it because it's so subtle. Like you actually have to like put your nose to the skin to actually smell it, which that's kind of a good thing. If someone really just wanted a subtle sparkle and they didn't want an overwhelming scent, then this is a pretty good option. And speaking of subtle, that sparkle is super subtle. Like you only notice it if you're looking for it. So it's not really giving me that contoured, highlighted, kind of like glowy skin effect. It's almost undetectable, but you know, it was $1. I'm not super impressed by this, not very impressed by the sparkle, not very impressed by the scent. Like when I go to smell my wrist right now, where I sprayed it to begin with. I actually don't really smell anything. I'm still glad I tried this out because I need to try out every Dollar Tree LA Colors product for the most part. But I would love to know in the comments down below what your favorite products are for giving that body shimmer, that glow that's also very on trend right now. Because I was hoping that this LA Colors product would be just that, but it really doesn't give that effect. If I wanted to get that effect from LA Colors, I would honestly say take those loose shimmer powders and apply that to the body, or mix some of that in with some body lotion, because that's going to give you more of that sparkle and glow to get that highlighted, shining, body enhancing effect. I feel like this product is great for like little girls that just wanted to have like a little fun perfume, a little fun sparkle, but it's not going to be anything too intense, overwhelming. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.